In today's video, I'll teach you how to add new address in NFL Shop. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in nflshop.com, press enter. Once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of NFL Shop. You'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to add the new address, for that click on this option that you can see right over here on your screen. Your name will be displayed over here. So simply click on it. Now you'll be able to find the options like account home, profile, order history, etc. Click on this option address book that you can see at fourth. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the address book interface of NFL Shop. Right over here, you'll be able to add the new address. Click on this option, add new address that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to add the new address. First of all, enter the first name. Likewise, enter the last name. Now once you do that, also provide your email address over here. Make sure to provide the correct email address. Now also enter the address 1. Click on the field of address 1. Now enter the address over here. Likewise, you can also enter the address 2, country or region, zip code, city and state. Now click on this option phone that you can see on the screen. Now add your phone number over here. Now once you add your phone number, click on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the address has been added. So that is how you add new address in NFL Shop. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.